In this lesson, we are going to be looking at weather, all different types of weather. Sun. The sun is a star made of burning gas. The sun gives us daylight and it also gives us heat. When it is a sunny day, you can feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Rain. When you see very dark clouds in the sky, they are carrying lots of tiny drops of water. When some of these drops of water fall from the clouds to the ground, it is raining. Clouds. Clouds are made up of lots of tiny drops of water. Clouds can be different shapes and sizes. You can also have different coloured clouds. Some clouds are white and some can be grey. Lightning. Lightning is a large flash of electricity that goes all the way from the sky to the ground. You normally see lightning during a thunderstorm. You may see a flash of lightning and then hear thunder. Snow is soft, white ice crystals that fall from the sky. They can form a layer of white snow on the ground. If it is too cold, it will not snow, but there might be ice. Wind. You cannot see wind because it is just moving air. However, you can see the effect the wind has on different objects. You can see leaves and tree branches blowing in the wind. The speed and direction of the wind can be measured. Rainbows appear when it is sunny in one part of the sky and raining in another. The 7 colours of the rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Fog. Fog is made up of lots of tiny drops of water. It is like a cloud, but instead of being in the sky, it is just above the ground. When it is a foggy day, it can be hard to see what is around you.